conservationists are tattooing these birds to protect them from poaching. The Saker falcon is endangered, with only 12,200 to 29,800 mature birds left in the world. They are poached and sold for falconry and hunting, with prices reaching tens of thousands of dollars for one bird. To discourage this, these conservationists in Siberia are tattooing SOS on the falcons' beaks and ID numbers on their feet, to lower their value and tell poachers the falcons were born in hatcheries.
Ловцы могут кольца просто-напросто срезать и снять, и сделать птицу товарной, да? И никто не придется, что она выпущена с питомника. Вот. А татуировка будет дополнительной защитой.
Saker falcons are found in Eastern Europe, and some migrate through the Middle East and Africa. Tattooing only took about 15 minutes per bird, and they reportedly didn't seem to be in any stress or pain during the process. The tattooed birds will be released into the wild or placed in wild Saker falcon nests in national parks.